Greeting to the viewers of MurrayTV. This is Sino William speaking. In front of us we have two learners from Murray High School. Can you guys introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, I am Nqotho and this is Luphelele Makeleni. We are from Big Bay doing grade 10 at Murray High School.
The project was mainly about creating a smart system to clean windows of high buildings. It was inspired by seeing how that people were struggling to clean windows of skyscrapers and all of that.
And it was because in most cases you would find that companies spend a lot of money in hiring cleaning companies to clean the windows of skyscrapers. During the cleaning process, you would find that the window washers are at risk of falling from a great height due to a failed piece of equipment. And it would not only be the window washers at risk, but also the pedestrians, as tools would fall and drop and would knock off scaffolds.
That's interesting stuff to hear. Can you tell us how is the solution different from others?
In many solutions into solving the problem that we had, you'd find that it's either wipers that they use to clean the windows of skyscrapers, or you find that people will climb up there and clean with safety equipment. But our system consists of a drone that's actually going to fly up there and clean the windows of skyscrapers. The drone consists of everything. It consists of the cleaning chemicals, it consists of the wipers, the scrubs, the water bottle or spray. It consists of a camera so that the controller could see whether the windows are being cleaned properly, and so that the controller could be able to move the drone to clean the next window.
Can you please tell us about the whole journey of Science Expo? How was it? Was it the first time or it's the last time? Can you please tell us more how the journey?
The journey started around March, where we were introduced to Science Expo by me. Attended classes where we would learn how to do our research plans and think of ideas that were different from others. And we continued with Science Expo for April and May. We would go to Naisna, where we would get a tutor there to give us reviews on how our project was going.
It was also based on fun because we would meet new people, we would gain knowledge, we would get reviews about our idea, and we'd be able to improve it for it to become a better and better system. It was also interesting because you'd hear people presenting their ideas, and you'd also be able to understand more about what's happening around you, about what other people think and what other things need solution.
Can you tell us more about the requirements that are needed for learners who'd like to participate in the Expo for next year?
It was our first time. For you to be able to enter Expo, you need to have a solution to a problem, a solution that's never been tried before, a solution that's different, and then you can reach out to your teacher and kind of introduce your idea and then get reviews on what the teacher has to say, on what to improve, or whether it's a little bit similar to what has been tried before, or it's something good that you can proceed with. And then if it's something good, we started by going to Naisna to get more knowledge on what's Excom Expo, on how it goes, what we're gonna do step by step. If you have an idea, how do you work on it, and stuff like that. So you just need to be able to analyze your idea to someone else so that you get reviews and improve.
How long did it take for you to complete your project, and was it performing the way you wanted it to perform?
It took us about 4 months to complete the whole project because we were having some trouble with it, and we needed to rebuild it on some parts and find the right material for other parts. It took us like a total of 4 months to just do the whole thing.
Was your project or was your prototype performing the way you expected it to perform?
It was, but it needed some improvements because of the wipers and the motor that was working. It just needs a little bit of improvement, but it's working fine.
So what next? What are your future plans for next year in the Science Expo?
For next year, we'd like to ask advice from our teacher whether to go on with the same idea or not, because it needs resources, and we'd love to go on with it, but it needs resources, and We do actually want to go on with it because we want to see the problem that we saw being solved, and we want to actually have a company where it's just going to be about the N&M scoring drone being used by people, actually solving the problem, no more people falling from great heights due to a failed safety equipment.
And we would like by the end of next year to see our drone working, being sold to different shops and helping around the community. It would be very much inspiring for other people so that they could also join the Science Expo and create new things to solve problems.
There's brilliant stuff going on there. I hope and I would like to see you guys again. From my side, I appreciate you and we need more from you guys. What are your future plans? What are your goals? What do you guys want to achieve towards the project? What motivation is there for the young kids who will probably watch you or see you guys?
In addition to what we've said before as to proceeding with the idea and having a company and all that, overall it would also be very nice to achieve this goal because it would also motivate and inspire our peers to know that some dreams are not too broad for them to actually become possible and happen. It would be very nice to know that many people after us would also be like, we can do this and try things and try things and try things.
Thank you guys for today's interview, and I'd like to see you guys achieve your dreams. With all said from them, from their side, this is it for today from MurrayTV. See you guys next time.